I'm a little late to the party, guys, but I got me one. And I'm going to show it to you right after this. Hey guys, I got me the new Space Age aluminum case black Nike Sport Loop 4mm Series 4 Apple Watch. There it is. Finally. All right, let's open this up. I sold my Series 3 and gave me a reason to upgrade. And quite honestly, I felt that if you had the Series 3, really the upgrades are somewhat minor. You don't necessarily have to upgrade, but after I show you what the differences are, you might think, maybe I should upgrade. Because there are some upgrades from Series 3 to Series 4. The Apple Watch Series 4 was a nice upgrade for me to want one, but I wasn't. I already had a 3, and the 3 was doing great. It did well, very well for me, and I had the Sailor. This one is the Sailor piece. This one has the LTE. This is a new little unboxing here that we got. Wow, look at this. Hello. Look at this. Very nice. Has 2 cases. Okay. There's the Nike Sports Loop. I went with the Nike this time around because the Series 3 that I had was a space gray aluminum 40 millimeters, and it didn't have, it wasn't the Nike one, which it just gives you a little bit more different phases, and I think it has a little bit more software. But anyway, this is pretty cool, the way they do this little unboxing thing here. I mean, I think it's pretty cool. Here. Alright, so we got the belt. We always leave the watch for last, but anyway, I had the opportunity to sell my Series 3, like I said, and it gave me a reason to now upgrade. This is what they call the black belt loop. Now, what I understand is that Nike put these little reflective threads that at night when the light hits it, it reflects. And so this is pretty cool. This is very nice. Okay, put that there. Stuff. Okay, hello. Now we come for the big hook. Now this one has a little watch face in the front. It's a 44 millimeter space gray aluminum case. It does have the LTE. Very nice. Okay. More stuff. Okay. A lot of stuff. The charger, the little brick. I'll leave that since I got charging cases there. And you got this new thing here. It's got this little case with felt. It's very nice. Very nice. Alright, let's push this baby out and see what we got here. Very nice. Very nice. Got a new bezel here. I jotted down some things that I felt. For one, the Series 3 42 millimeter. This is what I had. I had the 42 millimeter Series 3 with the LTE. It ranged around $409. This is a 44 millimeter, and it ranged also with the LTE, and it ranges $529. And this is including the cellular component to it. So it's about $120 more than the previous series. The Series 3 thickness was 11.4 millimeters, and this one, believe it or not, is a lot slimmer at 10.7 millimeters. These things are so minute you can't even tell the difference, but there is a difference, you know. The Series 4 has a newer chip, has a 64-bit dual core. This is all the tech geek stuff for all you techies and geekers. Is that a word? Hello? Anyway. This one has a 5.0 Bluetooth. The Series 3 had the 4.2. This one has an EKG or ECG, echocardiogram sensor. The Series 4 has a fall detection. If you fall, it knows that you fell, and it calls 911, calls your significant other or the person you want to be called. The Series 3 did not have that. Okay. The crown here has a haptic, so when you're moving the crown, you can feel it, whereas the other one, it did not have that. The speakers on this Series 4 is 50% louder than Series 3. It also has 8 more gigabytes of storage. The Series 3 had 8 gigabytes of storage. This one has 16 gigabytes of storage, which is good for downloading your iTunes, those kind of things, podcast. Okay. All right. Boom. Talk to me. Hello. That's what I'm talking about. Guys, if you like these videos, smash that thumbs up icon. Post some comments below. Tell me, share this video with a friend. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the little bell icon so that when I upload videos, you'll be notified. And if you have subscribed, let me just tell you how much I appreciate you very, very much. And with that said, I'll see you around on the next video where I will take it to the next level.